Hello and welcome to today's demo. I'm Kuldeep, marketing specialist at Gestisoft, and today I'm going to walk you through one of the most powerful yet often overlooked features in Business Central, the analysis mode. So the analysis mode is built-in data exploration tool in Business Central that allows you to pivot, filter, group, and summarize data on the fly. It's like having a mini Power BI or pivot table into Business Central. And why would we use this mode in Business Central? Well, the analysis mode eliminates that extra step of you having to export your data to Excel. Plus, it provides you with real-time data analysis and is user-friendly and has zero code. And it also saves you time. So now let's go ahead and see how to access the analysis mode in Business Central. So right now, as you can see, I'm on the home page of Business Central. And what you can do is go ahead and click on the search here and type in table item ledger entries. And this will give you a master list of all of your transaction and data pertaining to your transaction happening that have happened in your business. Now, right here, we are not yet in the analysis mode, but we can still go ahead and do some small tweak of the information if we wanted to. So for instance, we can go ahead and click on the filter here and we can decide to filter the data based on different factors. So for instance, if we want the posting date, item number, the description, the invoice quantity, and so on. So there's a lot of different options that you can choose to filter your data here. You can also go ahead and decide to maybe share this master list, share this data. So you can open it in Excel. You can also edit in Excel or share it straight to Teams with your colleagues. Now, here's the exciting part of it, and it's all about AI and Copilot. So, as you know, Microsoft has been integrating Copilot in all of the Microsoft Dynamics 365 applications, and this definitely applies to Business Central. So, right here is a Copilot icon, so you can click on it, click on Analyze List, and here you will be able to write your prompt in natural language for anything that you want to analyze in your data. So let's just say, for instance, you want to know what are the top selling items. You can just go ahead and click on generate, and it will give you the list. And here we go. And now you have the list of all your top selling items. You can click here on this small arrow and it will give you even more information about the items. And you can also notice that I've made a slight mistake when writing my prompt, but that doesn't prevent Copilot from getting the correct information for me. So that's the Copilot part. Now, let's just say we now want to enter the analysis mode. So how we do it is we come here and we click on this icon, enter analysis mode. Now, the analysis mode will allow you to have a deeper understanding of your data and your transaction. Right now, as you can see, it is again the master list with all of the data. And now when it comes to the columns, we can choose which columns we want and which ones we didn't want. It's very simple. You can go ahead here on the right and choose which ones you want to be displayed and which ones you don't want. So for instance, let's just say you want the column for the posting date month. You can go ahead and check it and it will automatically appear here on your data. And just like that, if you just don't want it, you can uncheck it and it will disappear. Another great function of the analysis mode in Business Central is how you can drag different items here into the row groups to have a better understanding and a better view of that specific data that you want to analyze. So for instance, here, let's just say you want to have the quantity, you can go ahead and drag it down and you can see it will give you the quantity here. And again, you can click on the small arrow to have even more detail about your transaction and that specific information. Now, you can also choose to turn it into a pivot table by entering the pivot mode. For that, you can go ahead and click on the pivot mode right here on the right side at the top, and you will see it has turned it into a pivot table. So it gives you again that clarity about your data and your transaction. Now, if you are satisfied with your final view, with your final data that you want to analyze, you can go ahead and click here and choose to rename it, duplicate, copy, open in Excel, arrange, or even delete the data. And now let's just say you want to go back to your original list. It's very easy. You can come here and click on Leave Analysis Mode, and it will get you back to your original master list where we were at the beginning. So this is how you use mode in Business Central. Again, it's very user friendly, it's very simple. You do not have to use Excel or any other software to do all of your analysis because everything just happens in Business Central. So here you have it. I hope you've enjoyed the demo and the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Thank you.